When we see in your local masjids, in your local schools, mashallah, there are ulama, they teach your children. If in a class of 100 students, at the end of the year, when there are exams, and there usually are exams in every institution, if in a class of 100 students, having been selected, appointed, given to a honorable, respected teacher to teach, at the end of the year, when there are exams, if from a class of 100 students, only 4 pass, 96 fail, who will be the first point of blame?
Teacher.
What sort of a teacher will be in whose class, after teaching a whole year, only 4 students pass and 96 fail? What sort of a teacher will you regard him?
Failure.
In one gathering, I said, what sort of a teacher will you regard him? And he will say, a shameful teacher, disgraceful teacher, an absolute failure, in whose class only 4 students pass. It's not question of just 4%. The best of the teachers, the best of the prophets of Allah wasn't given just 1 year to teach. He was given 23 years to teach. And not just 100 students, he was given 100,000 of the best students ever.
MashaAllah.
Mullah Bakir Majlisi, rather Mullah Bakir Majusi. Many of you might know him. Many of you might carry smartphones with you. If only people were as smart as phones these days, we wouldn't have half the problems. On your smartphones, type in Mullah Bakir Majlisi and Sheikh Google. People don't ask ulama these days, although Allah commands in the Quran, فَاسْأَلُوا أَهْلَ الذِّكْرِ إِن كُنْتُمْ لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. If you don't know, ask the people of knowledge. But people go straight to Sheikh Google. Some ask Mufti Twitter. And whoever you ask Sheikh Google, Mullah Bakir Majlisi. And Sheikh Google will tell you one of the most powerful Shia scholars of all times. People say Imam Khomeini, I say Shaitan Khomeini. He's written in Al-Hukumatul Islamiyah, Shiaism is as Mullah Bakir Majlisi has written in his books. And I've got one of his books with me here. It's called Hayatul Qulub, Volume 2, page 923 in the Urdu translation. The original is in Persian. This is the Urdu translation published by Shias. Many people, they don't even like using the word Shias. Many people, they say, just talk in hints. People don't understand hints anymore. You don't need to beat around the bush. You need to talk in plain, clear terms. Mullah Bakir Majlisi has written in Hayatul Qulub, Volume 2, page 923. Mullah Bakir Majlisi says, Ayashi ne bisanade mu'tabar. Any Shia might say this is a zaif riwayat. No, Mullah Bakir Majlisi says, बेसनद मोतबर हज़रत इमाम मोहम्मद बाकिर से रिवायत की है कि जब जनाब रसूल खुदा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने दुनिया से रहलत फरमाई, 4 अशखास अली बिन अबी तालिब, मिक़दाद, सलमान और अबू ज़र के सिवा सब मुर्तद हो गए. मौलाना ये मैंने सही पढ़ा गलत पढ़ा?
बिल्कुल सही पढ़ा.
मुल्ला Yaqub Kulaini has written this in Usul Kafi as well. This is an undeniable claim of the Shias. Mullah Bakir Majlisi says in Hayatul Qulub, Volume 2, page 923, with the exception of 4, Ali bin Abi Talib, radiyallahu anhu, Miqdad bin Aswad, Salman Farsi, Abu Zar Ghifari, and if some Shia is generous, they'll even include a 5th name, Ammar ibn Yasir. With the exception of 4 or 5, every single one of them, na'uzubillah, became murtad. If in your schools, in your masjid, in your maktab, if in a class of 100 students, only 4 pass at the end of the year, you will say to the Maulvi Sahab, that is the door, please find yourself another masjid. Make your other arrangements for your employment. Find somebody else to teach. If in your maktab, in your masjid, in your madrasa, only 4 students pass at the end of the year. In your examination, you will say he was a disgraceful teacher, shameful teacher, a failure. If that is the case, if in a class of 100,000, 23 years, Muhammadur Rasulullah is given by Allah.